What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. Well guys, today, well, by the time you'll be seeing this video, it's my birthday. So spam the comments, baby. Today I'm going to do a photo shoot. It's like, today's Monday and you'll be seeing this video on Wednesday. So I'm going to do like a photo shoot today. I'll take you guys with me throughout this journey because I'm going to do my nails now, and yeah, then makeup, then what. So I want to take you guys with me a little bit for you to see, and it's a new experience for me too because I've never done a photo shoot before. So yeah, it'll be great. So let's go with it.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
guys. Well guys, as you guys can see, I've got this pretty makeup on and my auntie did do to me, but I didn't film the procedure, guys. I was so like late to my photo shoot that I did not think of it. I hope you did like the behind the scenes, because you'll be seeing the photos on my Instagram fully. Of course, I did put some for you guys just to see a little bit of results, but follow me on my personal Instagram for you to see the other pictures. And like for now, you can enjoy this ones, and on the YouTube page maybe I'ma post maybe. But guys, focus on me. Focus. Yes, at this right moment, you seeing this video, it's my birthday, guys. It's my birthday, so you better like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's time for goodbye. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, whatever. Take the idea, do photo shoots, because you can't do parties or anything else. Of course, you can do something with your family for your birthdays, but get the idea for photo shoot, guys. So peace out.